perfect EDC knife. This is the Takumitak Companion. The model number TKF212SL. It's got a 4-inch drop point blade, 8.75 inches overall. It's around 5 millimeters thick. D2 steel. Handle is G10. Comes with a kydex sheath with nice belt attachment. The handle has a subtle texture to it. It's not smooth, it's textured. And then it has those very interesting cuts. Almost like diamond shape. See how that's three-dimensional? Then it's surprisingly comfortable in the hand. And the way the handle is shaped, you almost have like a built-in guard. That's what I'd call it. But unlike most knives, it's not a guard coming down, getting in the way of some of your cuts. See what I'm saying? And also, there's this here, so that's basically locking your hand in place. Has these ridges here to rest your thumb. Place your index finger, so just as I'm normally holding the knife, I'm already choked up. Does have a lanyard hole and just that really thick spine. I know you're not supposed to use a knife as a pry bar, but in an emergency, I think I could. Then there's a grind here down to the point, and yet that point, I can pierce things with that, but that's not fragile, that's beefy. Excellent for survival and bushcraft in my opinion. And the flat grind, I love a flat grind down to your final edge. And why I was asking, is this possibly the perfect EDC knife? And I'm not joking, I'm not 100% serious. Of course, perfect is subjective to every person, and even with me it depends on what I plan to be doing that day. But just something in general to have on me every day. It's big and beefy, it's sharp, I can do large tasks if I have to, and yet it's a small package, like 8 3/4 inches, and with that kydex sheath, the way it attaches is close and very comfortable to my body. Just everything I think I'm going to need. Alrighty, so this shows you have a knife, the beefy spine, decent steel, heat treated properly. Say I have a small but strong knife, and you can use a baton to start cutting things around the size that you might usually cut with a hatchet. Not that it replaces a hatchet, never do that. However, now this is a lot easier just to carry every single day. Make it a habit of keeping it on my person, EDC. And then if I get in some situation where I need to do kind of hatchet type stuff, just have this. It can get me through. At least that's my philosophy. Thank you very much to Takumitak for sending me this knife, their companion model. Actually, sent me a whole big box of knives. It's like Christmas and my birthday all wrapped up into one. How nice can you be? So I reviewed this one. I'll get to the others when I can. I thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you again soon. The eye is a lamp of the body. So if your eye is healthy, your whole body will be full of light. Matthew 6:22.